hard for me to say this. I'm not exactly gay, but sure as hell ain't straight, sis. If I'm honest, I feel somewhere in the middle, a little. I've been trying to deny it for a minute. It only comes out when I look at who I'm kissing. It only comes out when I look at who I'm kissing.
Hi good people, I hope you're well and you've been keeping safe. Thank you so much for clicking onto this video. So this is after fumigation, and as you can see, some cockroaches had met their maker. And guys, let me tell you right now, if I see a cockroach, honestly I'm killing it with all the wrath, because the work that we had to put into cleaning was so much. And I'm not keeping cockroaches anymore. And guys, tell me, do you think I have so many things? I'm even thinking about decluttering, honestly, because I had to wash all the utensils and it was a lot of work. The cleaning and then waiting for them to dry and then rearranging them. My house was in a mess. This took us hours. Like the cleaning of all the utensils took us about 4 hours. And then the next day, which was on Sunday, I had to not go to church because I could not leave my house in that way. So we had to clean the next day. So I'm just going to be showing you snippets, because this video, if I'm to do it the way I have the raw data, it's going to be about 1 hour, but I'm going to cut that short. So I'm just going to show you me cleaning and then how it's gonna turn out at the end of the video. So stay tuned. If you enjoy cleaning motivation, if you enjoy this, please click on that subscribe button if you love this. And I want to appreciate my premium gang. I want to appreciate them so much. I want to appreciate my returning subscribers. Thank you guys for always coming back. And to my new subscribers, thank you so much. Thank you to the 924 subscribers. We are almost hitting 1,000 subscribers and we really celebrate you for being here. Thank you so much guys. Nawapenda sana.
I've been so blue, ashamed and afraid, but when I look at you, can't think straight, 'cause I like pink. Try to hide it, but you saw right through me. Can I tell the truth? Can't think straight, 'cause I like pink. So important that you name it. Won't wear a label till I'm ready for the changes. It's not a phase, but I just don't know how to phrase it. It's hard enough to find someone who really sees you. Even I look in the mirror and I'm see-through. No one gives me color quite the way that you do. I've been so blue, ashamed and afraid, but when I look at you, can't think straight, 'cause I like pink.
And shout out to Angel Ndegwa for giving me this referral for the guys who did fumigation. Go ahead and check out her channel. I'm going to link it below. Thank you so much, girl. These guys came through.
I'm done with faking. I'm here with you. I've been so blue, ashamed and afraid, but
this point, guys, I'm convinced that I have a lot of items that I don't need. But again, wait until you get visitors. That's when you realize, oh, I don't have enough glasses. Oh, I don't have enough cups. So maybe I'm going to declutter, but on a very small scale. But honestly, we really washed a lot of, this is just but a piece of it. This is just like kidogo sana. So we washed and washed and washed, and it was a lot, guys. It was a lot, but honestly, it's so fulfilling having to wash all the utensils honestly in your house. The house now feels fresh. The house feels way more better, and the cockroaches do not have space in my life. After hours of cleaning, we were so tired. This day we had to order in some supper because we could not manage to make dinner. Thank you so much, my little sister, for helping. So we mopped the floors and left the kitchen in this state. This was the state that we left it in, and we were done for the day. Honestly, we were done for the day. And the next day, the challenge that was ahead of us was rearranging all these items into wherever they belong. At least the floors were nice and clean. Yes, and we had to now go to sleep, and that is the shopping that we have done. Ilika hapo. And now this is the next day, and we had to rearrange all these items, all of them, back to the shelves, which was a task. Also, it took us a few hours, but we got to do what we have to do. At this point, we had arranged everything back to its place, and it was time for us to clean. Most of this I did off camera. My sister helped with mopping the floors, and I tried to arrange this TV stand because it has Kayla's toys, and it also has some few books. So that's what we did, and then I'm going to show you how the house turned out.
Before I leave, my kind of party, no drinking, just conversations and thinking. I like the way that you're thinking, but I'm kind of shy. I don't look it. I saw the chance and I took it, but you're not looking back. Living in a hazy world, I just can't control the way you so hard for me to say this. I'm not exactly gay, but sure as hell ain't straight, sis. If I'm honest, I feel somewhere in the middle, a little. I've been trying to deny it for a minute. It only comes out when I look at who I'm kissing. It only comes out when I look at who I'm kissing, kissing. I've been so blue, ashamed and afraid, but when I look at you, can't think straight 'cause I like pink. Try to hide it, but you saw right through me. Can I tell the truth? Can't think straight 'cause I like pink. I don't know why it's so important that you name it. When we're a label till I'm ready for the changes. It's not a phase, but I just don't know how to phrase it, phrase it. It's hard enough to find someone who really sees you. Even I look in the mirror and I'm see-through. No one gives me color quite the way that you do, you do. I've been so blue, ashamed and afraid, but when I look at you, can't think straight 'cause I like pink. Try to hide it, but you saw right through me. Can I tell the truth? Can't think straight 'cause I like pink. No more waiting, I'm done with faking. I'm here with you. I've been so blue, ashamed and afraid, but when I look at you, can't think straight 'cause I like pink. Try to hide it, but you saw right through me. Can I tell the truth? Can't think straight 'cause I like pink.
Guys, I'm proud to announce that after hours of cleaning and hours of arranging and hours of trying to get rid of cockroaches, we have a clean kitchen and we have a clean living room. It was not easy. It wasn't easy. And that was the only sufuria that was dirty at this point, and our kitchen is looking amazing. I wanted to blend these bananas, but that's not part of the video. But anyway, the kitchen was absolutely clean. We rearranged back our items. I have mentioned 1,000 times that this kitchen doesn't have much storage, but we use what we have. And yes, this is what we managed to do. And tell me, guys, do you think we did a good job? Especially with the cleaning and rearranging and arranging. And also, I changed the place where my fridge was. I brought it here and I think it looks good. Zile mitungi pale nyuma ni za maji. I do not have a drum, which I need to actually purchase. Yes, so the shelf right there and the one that I just showed you is what we have for storage in our kitchen, and like a small one, like a small space that is there below the sink. So bear with me if you see things lying around, but this is what we have, this is what we use. And yes, it's amazing how much refreshing it feels when you have a clean space. And honestly, before that, this place was feeling so clogged and dirty, but now I am happy that my space is clean.
a t-shirt in the backseat of your car. Head down just like your father taught you. Stick around when the walls start to fall. Good God, has anybody noticed you? Sat at the table and you listened to her scream. I know we've had a few too many. I'm not sure what to believe. Beauty queens and rock and rollers, crystal glasses, Coca-Cola. Nice to meet ya, nice to know ya. Better have listened to all that they told ya. They took notes and put you on a pedestal. I'm Simon, I'm on my knees. Why are you so quiet, darling? Don't you know what this all means? Beauty queens and rock and rollers, crystal glasses, Coca-Cola. Nice to meet ya, nice to know ya. Better have listened to all that they told ya. To all that they told ya. All that they told you.